guys, it's Carter. Welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys are all having a great and amazing day today. Now in today's video, we are going to be talking about the best purchases to buy in your teens. Now this is going to be things that I've done and some things I wish I would have done. So I hope you guys all enjoy it. If you guys get anything in value out of this video, hit that like button, subscribe if you guys are new to the channel, new to the team. We talk about everything money, stocks, money management, trading, investing. So subscribe, join the team. So let's jump into it. Let's go. Alright, so starting off with the first thing I wish I would have done honestly in my teens is sign up with a custodial account with a stockbroker. Now a custodial account is a way where teens can invest into the stock market. Most people think you need to be over the age of 18 to invest. No, you guys can sign up with a broker that offers a custodial account. Now some of the brokers are going to be like M1 Finance or like TD Ameritrade. This is going to be a way where teens can invest into the stock market. Now, I don't recommend going crazy and putting all of your money in stocks and ETFs. What I do recommend doing is investing into companies you use, having fun learning about ETFs, and just starting that process, right? Starting being consistent with your investments. You know, investing is like working out. If you work out one time, that's great, but you're not in shape. If you work out 2 times, that's awesome, but you're not in shape. In order to get in shape, you have to work out consistently. Investing is the same way. You got to invest consistently in order to, you know, make a lot of money. And honestly, starting at a younger age, you're going to be way ahead of a lot of other people in your age group. And honestly, investing in the companies you believe in and companies you use is a great way where you can have fun with your investments and not be worried about the money. But starting a custodial account is a great way to get ahead of your peers, and one that I honestly wish I would have done when I was in my teens. All right, the second purchase I did when I was in my teens is starting a side hustle. Now, personally, I went out and I bought a lawnmower and I cut grass on the weekends, in the weekdays. Now, I just want to show you guys that you don't need a lot of money. You guys can pick up a lawnmower and a weed whip for about $100 and pay it off in the first week. When I was in my teens, I had about 4 paying clients that were about $50 each every single week, especially in the summertime. So that's about $200 a week that I am pretty much getting. It takes me less than 2 hours, $100 an hour. On top of that, in the winter time, I shoveled those driveways of the exact same people that I cut their grass just because they knew me and it was a lot easier. But starting a side business is a great way where you guys can get some extra income, and honestly, you don't have to be tied down. For me, I did so many sports when I was younger, so my schedule was so crazy, and honestly, having a flexible schedule where you can do your side business a couple hours here and there is a great way where you're not going to be tied down to a job or like a 9 to 5. Now, some of the side businesses that I did is starting a lawn care business, shoveling snow, and honestly one that I just kind of stumbled on upon is table and chair rentals. It's a little more expensive. It's about $1,000. But you make a ton of money in the summertime. You can literally make $500 a week doing it, and it's $1,000 for your table. So you pay them off really soon. I wish I would have known that when I was younger, because I would be cash flow positive, making a ton of money off my table and chairs. But hey, I'm giving it to you guys. All right, the third purchase that I would recommend doing in your teens is getting a gym membership. Getting a gym membership is a great way to meet new people, to get more confidence. When you guys look good, you feel good. And having confidence at a young age is going to carry on for the rest of your life. Not to mention, building up working out as a habit is going to last a lifetime. And honestly, you're going to feel fantastic, and starting that process, starting that consistently in that habit at a young age is a great way, and something that I wish I would have done even probably at a younger age, and honestly something that I wish I would have stuck with forever. Right now I'm working out a lot, but honestly, when I was like 19, 20, I stopped working out just because I was so involved in college and YouTube, and I honestly wish I would have stuck with it. You know, even if it's just once or twice a week, just building up that habit is something that I really wish I would have done even more of. All right, the fourth and final purchase that I wish I would have done, honestly, in my teens is journaling and goal setting. Writing out those goals, setting your journal, documenting your process. I would have loved to look back at some journals, you know, when I was 18 years old, seeing what my mindset, seeing what my goals are, and not to mention writing out your goals, statistically, when you write them out, you have a higher chance of hitting them. So if you're constantly writing goals, I think it's a great way to build that habit and to see that, you know, you're actually striving to reach some of these goals, journaling, documenting, and you can pick up a journal for like $20, like a nice one for like 20 bucks. So having a good journal is fantastic. I did it here and there, but I just recently started doing it. But guys, these are the top purchases to get in your teens. Honestly, all these are fantastic and ones that I would highly recommend. So guys, we'll see you guys later. Remember to stay happy, stay positive, and stay safe out there. Take care, guys.